Hey, this is Kevin from Scott Aerator. Today we're going to show you how to assemble your new Aquasweep. This is your Aquasweep housing and motor. You have your debris shield, your dock mounting plate, and your stainless steel pole. I've already removed the bolt that was taped to the yoke arm for shipping, which we'll use in the next step. Angle the Aquasweep housing 90 degrees to the yoke, which is the Y-shaped metal bracket. Add a washer and a nut from the inside, then tighten, then use 2 1/2-inch wrenches to finish tightening. Turn the assembly on its end and align the stainless steel debris shield with the 3 pre-drilled holes on the housing. Secure with a 5/16" power driver using the screws provided. The deck mounting plate will be screwed directly to the deck using stainless steel screws. For more temporary installation, or when the dock structure will not work with the screws, the mounting plate can be screwed to a 2x10x24 board and attached to the dock with a heavy-duty C-clamp as shown here. We've provided lubricant for the thumb screws, which will help to make it easier to adjust your Aquasweep's depth setting when needed. Next, we will feed the stainless steel pole through the mounting plate, making sure the end with a bolt hole is at the bottom, and temporarily tighten the thumb screw. Slide the Aquasweep housing onto the end of the pole from the bottom and align the holes. Slide the remaining bolts through with a washer on each side and tighten the nut using 2 1/2-inch wrenches. Now your Aquasweep is ready to use. Plug this into a GFCI outlet, and thank you from Scott Aerator.